right, the first thing you're going to notice here, besides this bright platinum badging, platinum means fully loaded in an F-150. If it's available, this truck has it. But the first thing you're going to notice is this thing right here. It says Power Boost. A lot of people say, what's that, Nate? I'm glad you asked. I'll tell you. It's a hybrid. Don't be scared. Some people hear hybrid and they get terrified. Don't be scared. This is a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost, which is the most powerful F-150 engine you can get. On top of that, it's complete with a hybrid battery that's, well, it's under there. What that does is that gives you upwards of 800 miles to a full tank of gas. You can power your campsite with a full tank of gas for up to, get ready for this, 84 hours straight without turning the truck off. I know, it's crazy, right? And I'll show you exactly how. Check this out. If you go around to the back here and you pop the tailgate, you're going to see all of your outlets right here. You got 4 120s and a 240. Those buttons there are your breakers. You can power cement mixers, coffee pots, laptops, lights, anything you want. You also have the step and your built-in work surface. Check this out. It goes back up by itself too. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? You got your nice, big old 20-inch tires. What type of mats do you want? Do you want your cloth mats or do you want your all-weather mats? Platinum badging in the back so you know exactly what you're driving. Heated rear seats, plus some USBs and another power outlet back here. Lockable underneath storage. Nice suede material here on the door. You can't beat that. Numbers pad, so you can lock your keys in the truck while it's running. Platinum again. Look at these perforations. That's for the stereo. Those are speakers in your headset. Speakers. Let's say you're in your car and you got to do some work. You put that down. Check that out. Work surface. It's pretty cool stuff. You obviously can't drive with that down. So let's start it up. Notice the 13.4-inch touchscreen. That's pretty cool, huh? Big old touchscreen. That's pretty nifty. Heated and cooled front seats. It's already got your trailer brake controller. Tow capacity of over 13,000 pounds. You got another outlet over here, a breaker up top, dual air glove box. Second glove box here, I can't reach it, I have arms like a T-Rex. Pro trailer backup assist, so if you're not good at backing up a trailer, guess what? This thing will do it for you. Literally. It's incredible. There's your 12-inch display screen, 8.9 miles. This is a brand new truck. Now, I'm going to turn this dial right here, and you'll notice that we need some gas. But you'll also notice normal, slippery, deep snow, mud, rock crawl for off-roading. Then you go all the way back to tow haul, eco, and sport. All those modes, all those different colors. You got your steering wheel here with your controls, volume controls, adaptive cruise control, your menu so you can scroll through the menu, whatever you want to do. Got your memory seats over here, 1, 2, and 3. You got your power folding mirrors. Watch this. All right. There you go. My fault. The button was stuck. Now they're back. It's pretty cool stuff. They're also heated, and they have blind spot in them as well. I guess it would have helped if I was hitting the right button. It's here, right here. This button. Right there. This is the window lock. Lock and unlock, of course. Your side mirror lights. This is a Platinum. This truck has everything, including sunroof. But wait, there's more. Look at all that roof. Back down here to the touchscreen. We're going to flip over there. Here's your radio, your phone screen. You can change what you want on this screen too. Audio. There's a bed camera. I didn't know that, but there it is. Check it out for your loading and unloading. Zone lighting. Pro Power onboard. That's what you use for that generator in the back. If you can go to features here. Driver assistance, all your safety, your running boards. So you'll notice kick switch is active. If I get close, they'll just deploy. Approach detection, same thing. A running board mode, auto. So right now, you'll notice if I can switch hands here that they're not out. Once I open this, they come out. That's pretty cool stuff. Yes, I know the door's open. But listen, this truck is available. We're not selling it for over sticker. It's $80,115. That is the window sticker price. And it is available for you today. So make sure you come see me down here at Sheridan Ford, 4001 Kirkwood Highway, and get your brand new F-150 Platinum.